Hello friends, if you are good in designing, you are interested in arts and drawings. If you have creativity in this designing field, then you have a good skills to earn money from online. So you have learned some skills for designing logos. You want to learn logo designing skills, you need to pay some money to learn courses. So, problem no need to pay amount. Now you can learn that skills free of cost. We will show you how you can build your career skills in logo designing stream. For designing skills there are so many job opportunities in online freelancer, Fiverr, and other online part-time jobs. You can earn money from these websites if you have good designing skills. Let's start. Improve your skills with these free courses. No one will give you money easily. You have to improve good skills, then you have impress recruiters to grab opportunities. Follow Good Designing. So many online freelancing jobs available in online. We can explain you about all websites, tips and tricks in next coming videos. Don't trust paid registration jobs. If anyone do that, they are fake job offers, so don't pay money for that type of jobs. Trusted jobs don't ask money, they will pay you after job done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel to more updates about online jobs. Any doubts, please do comment. If you like these videos, please share to someone they need jobs like this.